Anong koneksyon ng basura mo sa mahihirap? Ako si Risa Singson Kaupeng. Magkapet, pandasal muna tayo. Drive through the main roads of Payatas and you'll notice junkyards lining the streets. Everywhere you look, there's segregated trash. Payatas used to be the dump site of Metro Manila's garbage, but it's been permanently closed since 2017. Today, dump trucks still unload their trash in private junkyards there to give first dibs to scavengers before the trash is hauled again and brought to another dump site. Hindi natin agad-agad makikita ang koneksyon ng basura at karukaan, pero magkapulupot ang dalawang ito. Both feed each other, creating a vicious cycle that perpetuates poverty. In Laudato Si, Pope Francis reminded us that saving the environment has to be a social approach because our throwaway culture doesn't just harm the planet. It impacts the lives of the poor who live in filthy and disease-filled environments. So anong pwede nating gawin? Start with conscious consumption. Bago bumili, tanungin ang sarili, do I really need this? Can I repair instead of replace? Let's also choose products with minimal packaging and avoid single-use plastics. Kayang-kaya natin gawin ito at kahit tila maliit na bagay lamang, may epekto ito sa ating kapaligiran. Our catechism teaches that caring for creation is caring for the vulnerable. When we reduce our waste, we reduce the burden on communities that deal with our trash. Tayo magdasal. Lord, teach us that our lifestyle choices have moral weight that can dignify or degrade others. Amen.